Relationship management is very vital in every aspect of human life, from business purpose, office work, profession, family life, social life, friendship, blah blah blah. So we have to think how can we develop a relationship in our family atmosphere or our professional atmosphere or professional growth, etc. There are certain rules to build up your relationship in all sphere of life, and the dimension is different from each other. Relationship is a decision you have to take to build in a certain environment, such as if when you are in a office, you have to think that you have to make a good congenial environment. So first you have to think of your mind that it is prepared to think positively and make a good relationship with the colleagues. So at first you have to sacrifice and love them. Then you will see the changes. All of the colleagues are will be prone to you for every sphere of your need and relations. Without relations, no man can live longer. Without relation, you will not be able to sustain in a society or in any environment. So you have to think of the relation first. When you are in a business purpose, you have to make relation with your customers. When you are a family leader, you have to make a relation with your followers. When you are a leader in the society, you have to make a relation with the society members. And when you are the leader of a nation, you have to make a relation with the countrymen. And how you will make these relations? The first rule is unconditional love to your fellow members, and don't be selfish, and never try to envy any of your fellow members. That is the rules. Thank you.